moment belongs only to you. Feel the tension melt from your body as you sink deeper into stillness. Let the ground support your weight. Let your breath slow. Let your thoughts soften. Each inhale draws in peace. Each exhale lets go of noise. With every breath, you are retreating deeper into a space of healing. You do not need to force anything. Just allow. Just be. Let the stillness rise around you like water, calm and cool, embracing every part of your body. The muscles in your face are soft. Your jaw unclenches. Your lips rest gently. You are safe. Let that safety surround you. Let it move through you. You are in the right place. You are exactly where you need to be. Feel how your chest moves slowly now, rising and falling like waves in the dark. You are floating in comfort. You are wrapped in silence. Let every breath carry you further from the noise of the world, further from expectation, further from fear. This space is only yours. It is where you return to remember who you are beneath everything. Not the roles, not the tasks, not the striving, just the you that lives quietly and purely. Let that version of you breathe. Let that version of you rest. You do not need to be anything else right now. Let the breath guide you gently inward. There is no wrong way to be here. Every breath is welcome. Every pause is peace. Let your heartbeat slow as your body becomes heavier. Your fingers relax. Your arms soften. Your legs release tension. The quiet deepens around you like a soft ocean. You are floating in calm. Let your attention settle on your breath, noticing it, honoring it. Each inhale invites in light. Each exhale releases the weight of the day. You are carried by this rhythm. You are held in stillness. Imagine now a soft light above your head, warm and gentle. It lowers slowly, passing over your forehead, over your eyes, over your cheeks. A soft golden warmth that soothes every part of you. It glides across your neck, down your shoulders, into your chest. It does not rush. It is patient, just like you. The light travels down your arms, into your hands, through your spine, your belly, your hips, your thighs, your knees, into your feet. It wraps around you in kindness. This light is your calm. This light is your safety. This light is your truth. Let it glow inside you. Let it dissolve anything you no longer need to carry. You may feel thoughts trying to return. Let them float past like drifting feathers. No resistance, no control, just observation. Let them pass. Let them go. You are the sky. They are only clouds. The stillness within you remains untouched. Let the quiet hum gently within you. Let your body continue its descent into ease, into comfort, into stillness. You are healing in every breath. Your nervous system calms. Your muscles lengthen. Your heart opens. You are doing exactly what you need to do. You are resting. You are restoring. You are remembering peace. Let yourself be here without urgency. Let the silence grow richer, deeper. You are no longer on the surface. You are in the calm beneath the surface, where time slows, where healing begins. This is your sanctuary. You may imagine yourself lying in a garden beneath a velvet night sky. The air is cool. The stars are soft. The earth is warm beneath you. A gentle wind passes by, brushing against your skin with care. The scent of night flowers fills the air. You are alone, but not lonely. You are whole. You are surrounded by peace. Everything in this space welcomes you. Everything in this space honors you. Let your awareness drift through your body again, gently, curiously, without judgment. Feel where you are holding anything and let it go. Let your body soften where it was once tense. Let your breath lengthen where it was once short. You do not need to protect yourself now. You do not need to prepare for anything. You are not behind. You are not missing out. You are not late. You are present. You are here. Let the inner chatter fade. Let the mind grow quieter with each breath. No story to repeat. No image to hold. Just the experience of being, of breathing, of resting. Let the quiet speak to you. Let it tell you what you already know deep down. That you are worthy of love. That you are worthy of rest. That you are not your worries. You are not your thoughts. You are not your past. You are a soul wrapped in light. You are energy shaped by love. You are part of something greater, something peaceful, something eternal. In this moment, you are tuned to that frequency. You are in harmony. Stay here. Float here. Let your body grow even heavier. Let your breath slow to its softest rhythm. You may sleep. You may dream. Or you may simply be. Let go of the idea that you must do more. Let go of the voice that says you are not enough. That voice is not the truth. The truth is this moment, this peace, this breath, this heart that continues to beat with strength and softness. You are resilient. You are brave. You have carried so much. And now you get to rest. Now you get to lay it all down. You are not giving up. You are recovering. You are not falling behind. You are healing. The world can wait. This time is yours. This stillness belongs to you. The stars above you remain still. The night holds you gently. The silence surrounds you like a lullaby. Let sleep come if it wishes. Let rest take you if it wants. There is no right way. There is no goal. Just breathe. Just presence. Just peace. Subscribe to Sporati Health and Wellness Meditation.